Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And if you are joining for the first time, a warm welcome to you as well. This is the place where we take tech topics and make them simple and easy to understand. I am really glad you're here today. Today, we are going to talk about JavaScript in a very simple and practical way. Before we even get into what JavaScript actually is, let me show you something you see almost every day. You finish watching an episode on Netflix and the countdown appears. 3 seconds, 2, 1, and the next episode starts playing automatically. That smooth transition you just experienced is JavaScript quietly doing its job behind the scenes. Welcome to the Modern JavaScript series. In this episode, I am not going to throw definitions at you. Instead, we are going to understand JavaScript through one real-world example: Netflix autoplay. Imagine you're watching a show. The episode reaches the final moments. As soon as it ends, Netflix instantly knows it is time to show the countdown for the next episode. So what exactly is happening behind the screen? JavaScript detects that the video has finished playing. No page refresh, no reload. It simply understands what just happened. Then, JavaScript starts a timer. Every second, it updates the number on your screen. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next, JavaScript updates the user interface. It shows the next episode thumbnail and prepares the video player. Finally, JavaScript triggers the action that starts the next episode at the exact moment the countdown hits 0. Everything feels smooth and instant because JavaScript is handling the logic, the timing, and the user interface changes in the background. So what is JavaScript really? If we keep it simple, JavaScript is the brain that makes websites and apps feel alive. It listens for your actions, it runs the logic that decides what should happen next, and it updates the screen without reloading the entire page. Anytime something changes instantly on your screen, JavaScript is doing the work. Here's the easiest way to remember today's lesson. JavaScript means interaction, timing, user interface changes, and logic control. Nothing complicated. Thank you for watching this episode. In the next video, we will look at how JavaScript works in the browser and how it works on the server using Node.js. Do not forget to subscribe.